Hello, folks, and good afternoon. We are here live for our next function talking about the AI guide for every accountant, CPA, and bookkeeper and what they should be using here in 2025. Well, I am Will Castello here. I am your strategic AI consultant helping businesses across the United States integrate AI safely onto their operations. With my expertise in cybersecurity, you can be confident that your AI solutions are implemented without leaving gaps that would expose your business or client data. Well, my AI briefings here that's held here every Tuesday at 3 p.m. are to help CPAs, bookkeepers, and accountants like yourself to one, run your business on autopilot with AI. Two is to reduce operational costs. Three, scale efficiently and grow your revenue. And then guess what? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and much, much more. So what we are going to be talking about again today is how those CPAs and how you can do this stuff. So we're going to go ahead and jump right into wondering, why does AI matter? Why does AI matter for finance professionals here in 2025? Well, I'll tell you why. I have three kind of reasons here. One, client demands are higher than ever, right? In 2025, clients expect accountants and bookkeepers to deliver more, faster, with greater precision. They want real-time financial insights, not end-of-the-month reports. So we have to make sure you're in compliance with the tax laws as they are constantly changing. So tax codes, accounting standards, and compliant regulations are in constant motion, shifting with new legislation, global market conditions, and industry-specific rules. So manual processes eat into billable hours. Every minute lost is replicable task, data entry, reconciliation, report formatting, all in a minute where you're earning from a higher value work. So these processes waste time. They invite errors and slow down delivery, and especially during peak season. So the big promise I say is AI won't replace you, but accountants using AI will replace those who don't. Let me rephrase that again. Let me say that one more time. AI won't replace you, but accountants who are using AI will replace the ones who don't. AI is not here to take over your role. It's here to amplify it. In 2025, the firms and professionals thriving are the ones who are using AI to work smarter, respond faster, and deliver deeper insights. AI doesn't just automate tasks. It frees you to focus on strategic, high-value work clients actually paying for a premium. So we're here now to talk about my three pillars. My three pillars of the AI guide. Number one, automation. The AI guide is anchored here to show us how we're going to utilize this stuff. So automating your processes, which is what I just kind of talked about, that's one. Two, insight generation. Three, client engagement. Now, let me go a little bit deeper into these because I know I just specifically said these three pillars: automation, insight generation, and client engagement. Let me go in a little deeper. So with automation, Automation is about letting AI handle the repetitive, time-consuming tasks that don't eat into your day. Things like data entry, that's time-consuming. Bank reconciliation, that's time-consuming. Invoice processing, that's time-consuming. And report generation. By offering these AI, or I'm sorry, not offering, by offloading this stuff to AI, right? You speed up your workflows, you reduce human errors, and you free yourself to focus on higher value, revenue generating work. Number 2, let's go into insight generation. This is all about using AI to turn raw financial data into clear, actionable intelligence. So instead of spending hours manually reviewing spreadsheets, AI can constantly analyze the transactions, detect anonymously anything, right? And identify your patterns that you might miss. It can forecast cash flow, modern different financial scenarios, and flag compliance risk before they become a problem. Number 3, client engagement. This is about using AI to deliver a faster, more personalized service experience, period. In 2025, clients expect instant answers, clear reports, and proactive updates, not long waits or generic responses. Beyond speed, AI can track active client behaviors, preferences, and history to anticipate needs before they are voiced. Well, this is the schedule here talking about how you do things. We can schedule around these tasks, right? So what I like for you to do is schedule a call with me to let's do an audit, okay? And I call this an audit, an AI growth and profit assessment. The AI growth and profit assessment is here to identify the top 3 AI solutions to implement. Train your team and test before you roll out the situation, right? So here I'm going to post a QR code and where you can schedule a meeting with me to go over how you can utilize AI being a strategic way. Okay? So here's our phone number there, www.triadcybersolutions.com. Again, schedule, click on this QR code, take your phone, click the camera, and let's get on the books and let's schedule for an AI consultation where we can do an AI growth and scale assessment to see what gaps we can fill in to help you become more scalable with AI. Okay? Well, thank y'all again. Thank you again for visiting us here for another week. Stay tuned to next week for our next AI briefing, as we'll be here to tell you a couple little tips and tricks on how you can use AI. Until then, we will see you next time. Bye-bye.